So now that everything is connected, aside from the outer pan, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning this area up. Now this needs to be done before you put on those outer pieces or you won't be able to get back in to clean them up. So you can use your finger, a sponge, a little wooden knife, whatever you need to get it smooth. I like to clean up the scoring lines that are left from underneath the hole areas. You don't have to do that, but it just looks a little bit nicer and cleaner. Of course, that area is going to be underneath a plant, so in the long run it may not matter. So clean all of that up, and then also, in addition to that, you want to take your slip, and on all of the inside corners, you want to apply a pretty thick bead, kind of like if you're caulking it. And just apply that all the way around on all the corners, and then take your finger and just make it smooth. Now that is going to make the interior look a little bit prettier, and it's also going to secure that connection just a little bit more so that it's less likely to crack.